is Shree for Just Nailed It. We've got an unboxing here. This is from Dyme Nails. This is her sticker right here. Fragile. Handle with loving care. I ordered, this is a brush. I ordered some jelly quartz. Let's see here. Let's see if I can get into the box. These scissors are really super sharp. They are embroidery scissors. Maybe these aren't the ones. Let me get my store scissors. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. Let's just get my set of keys. There we go. We're in. We're in. Ready to get the right man for the job. Oh, hello. I'm so excited about this. Sherry SLMS 01 on Instagram turned me on to this. They are inks. I'm so excited about this. I ordered, I believe, 2 and then a quartz. I can't remember what I ordered here. Let me get my scissors back out. So I cut my way in. Sure, you're still texting. Inside it goes over. Right. Okay, where are we? Okay, I'm going to take 10 minutes trying to unwrap these 2 bottles. Yep. Oh, shoot. I'm going to pause, get these unwrapped, I'll be right back. Okay, we are back. We got things opened. Except for the brush, we have got Electric Amethyst. This is a jelly, a purple. Whoops. I don't know what my phone's doing. A purple jelly. Look how beautiful that is. Looky, girls, looky. I can't wait to try this out. I'm not doing any demos in this video today. This is just a short unboxing. This here is a shade. Hold this back right so you can see by the top here is the color. This is Milk Bath Nails. It's just that white milky color. Here you get the flowery stickers. I ordered some from Amazon. They should be here momentarily. Well, not momentarily. Amazon's not work that fast. These are the 2 inks I ordered. We have Lala and Pacific. Lala is a pink. Lala is a purple. Oh, I can't get them open. Oh my gosh. Oh, there we go. This is Lala. Marble Queen Inks. This is by Dyme, D-Y-M-E, nails.com. You can look her up on Instagram. That is where I found her, from SLMS SLMS01. Sherry is the one who turned me on to her. She is so everly nice. Oh, look at how it's spread out. Looky. Look how the purple, how it looks like grape Kool-Aid. Oh. Tap that purple one more time. Tap it. Tap it out. Watch it spread. I don't have a nail handy or ready. Again, I do not have a code. I'm not an affiliate. I'm not an ambassador. This is my first introduction to this woman, to her company. And I'm just in awe. I'm like, it's just, but you can see the name right here. Beautiful. Those are my 2 inks, my 2 jellies, and this is my brush. Let me figure out how to open this baby up. This is the brush to do the jelly, or to do the jellies. Listen to me, I should do the inks. How do you get her out? Well, what's the other job you doing here? What's this for? This must be the lid. Whoopsie. God, I'm scared to put her on. Nice. This is nice. Marble Queen. I love it. Here is, in a bigger print so you can see, DymeNails.com. You keep the brush in here when you're finito. Make sure you clean said brush properly. Oh my God, I'm in love. But I am going to have a sit down with Sherry, SLMS01. Her name is Sherry. She's gonna have a little sit down with me over video. We're gonna, she's gonna be teaching me how to use the inks, because I don't really know. Right, really about it, I don't know. So check out the company. I don't have a code like I said. Whoopsie. Nail down. So she's gonna teach me how to use these. And I cannot wait. I'm so very excited. I'm excited. I'm really excited to learn how to use these. I'm really super excited. So let's get these out here. The jellies. So super excited. And again, this is DymeNails.com. Go check her out. Check her out on Instagram. Tell her Just.nailedit sent you so she knows. It was real recent, a couple days back, that her and I had spoke. Great lady. Very nice. Very sweet lady. Very sweet. But tell her Just.nailedit sent you. She'll remember. Very nice. She did some great nail art. So this is my unboxing. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my products that I ordered. Cannot wait to dive in. I will have a video for you really soon, showing you what I have learned tonight. I will be practicing. So hopefully I'll have a video for you really soon, showing you what I have learned. Keep your fingers crossed for me. So leave me a comment. Please subscribe to my channel. Click all on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, anything important that may slide across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.